Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you two nice DIYs, and this is the item that we'll be using for DIY number 1. Okay, I have this wood heart here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it has these little beads on top, which is super cute. So I'm going to be using some pink acrylic paint and we'll paint our heart and the beads. So when I'm finished painting everything pink, we are going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our heart is all dry. Doesn't it look nice in the pink? I'm going to be placing some of this pink mosaic tiles that I got from BB Craft. I'm just going to add them, and they come with the self-adhesive on the back, so we're just adding them to our heart. Next, I'll be adding some of this glam sheet here to our heart, and it comes with self-adhesive on the back, so I just cut it to the shape of the hearts at the sides here where I'm placing it. And that's all done. So now we have these lips here, which I'm going to be placing on it. So I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue on the back for extra support. And then we place it down right here. So now that that's all done, I'm coming in with some of these bling gems here, and I'll be placing them all around our heart. Now, yesterday was my birthday, which was January the 16th. So for the rest of the month of January, I'll be celebrating my birthday, and I will be giving away some of these beads. I'll be having a giveaway later on near the end of the month, and I'll be giving some of these beads as prizes. Now I'm just removing the protective plastic from the lips. And here is our look for our first DIY. I love how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. And you can hang it up on the wall. Oh, with the beads and everything, I think it looks very nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now on to DIY number 2, and these are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 2. Okay, I have this 8x10 canvas that I got from the Dollar Tree. That's what we'll be doing with our DIY on. And I have some cardstock here, some glitter silver cardstock paper that we're just going to cut a heart out of. Okay, here's the heart that I'm using. I use my cutting machine, but you can cut it out with some scissors, anything you have if you don't have a cutting machine. So I'm just putting some hot glue on the back to adhere it to our canvas. Now I'll be adding some of this glam silver chain going around our heart, and I will be using some E6000 to glue it down. Next, I have these little mirrored hearts, and there's a sticker on the back. I got them from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to remove the paper and then add some hot glue and put it into the center of our heart. Next, I'll be adding the little XOXO onto our canvas. And I also got this pack from the Dollar Tree. So just using a little hot glue for extra support and place them down. Now we're going to add our gems going all over our canvas. The big gems and the small gems, just placing them everywhere. And now that that's all done, I'm going to remove the protective plastic off of the heart. See, it's a mirror. Does that look nice? And also off the XO and the XO. And here's our finished look for our second DIY. I like how this one turned out too. I love the bling gems all over the canvas. I think it looks nice. And this would look nice on, what's this thing called? Is it oh my gosh! An axle, I think it's called. Oh, have it on this and place it anywhere you want, or use some command strips and hang it up on the wall. And here are both our items together. I think they both turned out lovely. Lovely piece of home decor. So that's all your girls got for you today. And remember to look out for my giveaway, because this is my birthday month, January, so I'll be celebrating right till the end of January. Yeah, and like I was saying, I hope I inspired you with 2 more lovely decor for your home or to give as a gift for a loved one. And I do hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's Freestyle Wednesday. So remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.